Hey everybody, Dr. Healy from Root Healing Wellness here. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about Chinese herbal medicine, what it's good for, how it's unique and different. So there are some areas of Chinese medicine that are very unique and we have very strong competitive advantages. Chinese herbs specifically are very good for sex hormones. We're really in all of the world, as far as strongly and objectively improving hormone levels, really only two options that I know of. Chinese herbs, very safe. You don't have to take for years and years at a time. Oftentimes worked relatively fast, but a little bit slower in onset than standard of care with hormone replacement therapy. Or hormone replacement therapy risks heart attack, stroke, and cancer, oftentimes given to patients for decades at a time. So we see one strong area of competitive advantage there. There are also other areas where we have very strong competitive advantage. For example, reduction of inflammation, shrinking masses. We've shrank masses all over the body in many different locations. Stones like gallstones, kidney stones, digestive issues particularly strong, where standard of care has literally basically very few to little to no solutions for digestive complaints like gas, bloating, IBS, ulcerative colitis, etc. So, how are Chinese herbs made and how are they formulated? Well, for example, standard herbology, if you were to go to somebody and say, okay, I have a headache, what herb should I take? They might say something like, take some mint, take some lavender. Well, Chinese medicine doesn't think of it that way. Our first thought is, why is the patient sick? I can tell you 10 different diagnoses for headaches right now. So you have to get the proper diagnoses, you have to match it up with the person's constitution, and you have a very personalized herbal formula. We're talking probably between 10 to 20 herbs, all in different ratios and proportions, customized and specifically made for that person. That's why they're very strong, very effective, and that's why it requires a meeting at the doctor, and you can't just like run to Whole Foods and pick up some herbs. It just doesn't work that way. Well, I hope you learned something today about herbs and also how they can help a variety of conditions. And we have some very strong areas of competitive advantage. If you want a safe, natural solution to your health complaint, Chinese herbs might be a good solution for that. So give us a call at Root Healing Wellness. We'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.